Hello everyone. Welcome back to your favorite English channel, Smart Learning Pod. I'm so excited to have you with us again today. If you've ever wanted to speak English like a native, sound confident in conversations, and impress everyone with your fluency, then you're in the right place. Today we have a very special lesson prepared just for you. We're going to explore 100 essential English idioms and expressions that native speakers use every single day. We'll not only learn what they mean, but also see easy examples, fun dialogues, and real-life situations where you can use them immediately. By the end of this video, your English will sound natural, fluent, and professional, and you'll feel confident using these phrases in school, work, or everyday life. I'm Jessica, and with me is my friend Mark.
Hey everyone, get ready for a fun, practical, and super useful lesson. These idioms will not only make your English more colourful, but they'll also help you understand native speakers better and sound like a pro in conversations. Let's get started and make your English shine today.
Break a leg. Good luck. I have a big test tomorrow.
Break a leg, you'll do great.
Piece of cake. Very easy. Is the homework difficult?
No, it's a piece of cake.
Hit the books. To study hard. I need to pass this exam.
Then it's time to hit the books.
Under the weather. Feeling sick. I don't feel well today.
Oh, you seem under the weather.
Once in a blue moon. Very rarely. How often do you travel?
Only once in a blue moon.
Spill the beans. Reveal a secret. Did you tell anyone about the surprise?
Oops, I spilled the beans.
Costs an arm and a leg. Very expensive. How much is that dress?
It costs an arm and a leg.
Let the cat out of the bag. Accidentally reveal a secret. Did she know about the party?
Yes, someone let the cat out of the bag.
Bite the bullet. Face a difficult situation bravely. I don't want to apologize.
Sometimes you just have to bite the bullet.
Cut corners. Do something the easy way, often poorly. Why is the project incomplete?
They cut corners to finish quickly.
Break the ice. Start a conversation. I'm shy at the party. How do I talk to people?
Just break the ice with a smile.
Call it a day. Stop working for now. I'm tired. Can we stop now?
Sure, let's call it a day.
Burn the midnight oil. Work late at night. I stayed up late finishing my project.
Wow, you burned the midnight oil.
Back to square one. Start over. Our plan failed.
Don't worry, we're back to square one.
A blessing in disguise. Something that seems bad, but is good. Losing my job seemed bad.
But finding a better one is a blessing in disguise.
Hit the nail on the head. Say exactly the right thing. You explained everything perfectly.
Thanks, I hit the nail on the head.
Let sleeping dogs lie. Avoid old problems. Should I bring up our old argument?
No, let sleeping dogs lie.
Throw in the towel. Give up. I can't solve this problem.
Don't give up. Don't throw in the towel.
The ball is in your court. It's your decision. What should I do next?
The ball is in your court.
Actions speak louder than words. Actions are more important than words. I'll help you, not just talk.
Exactly. Actions speak louder than words.
On the same page. Agree with each other. Are we all ready for the presentation?
Yes, we're on the same page.
Out of the blue. Unexpectedly. He called me out of the blue yesterday.
Really? That's surprising.
Pull someone's leg. Joke or tease. You failed the test?
I'm just pulling your leg.
The best of both worlds. Enjoying two advantages. I want a job with freedom and money.
That's the best of both worlds.
Speak of the devil. When someone appears while being talked about. Speak of the devil. Here's Sarah.
Perfect timing.
A dime a dozen. Very common. Are these souvenirs rare?
No, they're a dime a dozen.
Beat around the bush. Avoid the main topic. Just tell me the truth.
Break the bank. Spend too much money.
This new phone is amazing.
Yeah, but it will break the bank.
By the skin of your teeth. Barely succeed. Did you pass the exam?
Yes, by the skin of my teeth.
Cry over spilt milk. Regret something you can't change. I failed yesterday's quiz.
Don't cry over spilt milk.
Cut to the chase. Get to the main point. Your story is long.
Okay, I'll cut to the chase.
Go the extra mile. Make extra effort. How can I impress my boss?
Go the extra mile with your project.
In hot water. In trouble. I forgot to submit my report.
Oh no, you're in hot water.
It takes two to tango. Both parties responsible. Who caused the argument?
It takes two to tango.
Keep your chin up. Stay positive. I'm worried about the results.
Keep your chin up. Everything will be fine.
Know the ropes. Understand how things work. How do I use this new software?
Don't worry, I'll show you. You'll know the ropes soon.
Miss the boat. Miss an opportunity. Did you apply for the scholarship?
No, I missed the boat.
No pain, no gain. Hard work is necessary. Why is learning English so hard?
Remember, no pain, no gain.
On thin ice. In a risky situation. I said something wrong to the teacher.
Careful, you're on thin ice.
Take it with a grain of salt. Don't take seriously. He said I failed, but I don't believe him.
Good. Take it with a grain of salt.
Hit the jackpot. Get something very good unexpectedly. I just won free tickets to the concert.
Wow, you hit the jackpot.
Bend over backwards. Make a great effort to help someone. Thanks for helping me with my homework.
No problem. I bent over backwards.
Burn bridges. Destroy relationships. I yelled at my colleague yesterday.
Be careful. Don't burn bridges.
Face the music. Accept the consequences. I forgot my homework again.
You'll have to face the music.
Hit the sack. Go to bed. I'm exhausted.
Then hit the sack and rest.
Keep your eyes peeled. Be alert. I lost my keys somewhere.
Keep your eyes peeled. You'll find them.
Let your hair down. Relax and enjoy. I'm stressed from work.
Tonight, let your hair down and have fun.
Make a long story short. Summarize. What happened at the party?
To make a long story short, it was amazing.
Miss the mark. Fail to achieve. Did you impress the teacher?
Not really. I missed the mark.
On cloud 9. Extremely happy. I got my dream job.
You must be on cloud 9.
Pull yourself together. Calm down and control emotions. I can't stop crying.
Pull yourself together. It's not the end of the world.
Rule of thumb. General principle. How do I estimate the cost?
As a rule of thumb, always add 10% extra.
Sit tight. Wait patiently. Should I call them now?
No, sit tight. They'll respond soon.
Speak your mind. Say what you really think. I'm scared to give my opinion.
Don't be shy. Speak your mind.
Steal someone's thunder. Take credit for someone else's idea. They presented my idea as theirs.
That's awful. They stole your thunder.
Take the plunge. Do something bold or risky. I want to start my own business.
Go ahead, take the plunge.
The tip of the iceberg. Small, visible part of a bigger problem. The issue seems minor.
Be careful, it's just the tip of the iceberg.
Throw caution to the wind. Take risks without worrying. I want to travel alone.
Then throw caution to the wind and enjoy.
Under your nose. Very obvious. I couldn't find my glasses anywhere.
They were under your nose the whole time.
You scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. Mutual help. I'll help you today if you help me tomorrow.
Perfect. You scratch my back, I'll scratch yours.
Wow, that was a lot of idioms and expressions.
Exactly. Don't just memorize them, use them with friends, in conversations, and even when watching movies.
Thank you so much for joining us today. See you next time, and remember, learning English can be fun and easy.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing and stay smart.